Today I will talk about social marketing. It is part of my series of lectures on marketing management. So social marketing promotes positive social transformation and focuses on influencing positive actions. It focuses on influencing behavior with the goal of achieving a common good. Kotler in 1971 have defined social marketing as the design, implementation, and control of programs calculated to influence the acceptability of social ideas and involving consideration of product planning, pricing, communication, distribution, and marketing research. So basically, it is the use of marketing activities to influence the acceptability of social ideas. These are examples of social marketing: National Family Planning Program, HIV Prevention Program, Control of Childhood Diarrhea Program, National High Blood Pressure Education Program, anti-tobacco campaign. These are health-related use of social marketing, and these are other uses of social marketing. One is disaster prevention and response, financial literacy program, PETA campaign against use of fur products. Social marketing uses the usual channels as for other marketing practices. These include mass and specialized media, paid agents, voluntary groups. These are various markets associated with social marketing. The primary target market is low income families, it is large. Secondary target market is childbearing families. Tertiary target market includes sources of fund and additional volunteer efforts. And miscellaneous target markets include politicians and religious groups. This is the image I have taken from this site. So it describes the social marketing process. So we actually set a goal for a social cause. Then we identify target audience. Then we formulate a message and use a particular channel. Then we conduct events, activities, seminars. Then finally we evaluate whether the goals are achieved or not. So this is a social marketing process. This is all for today. Thank you very much.